from my house, come beg me. If Papa even talk to me, say, if my mama don't talk to me, Papa don't talk to me.
Family.
Hey.
Now next year will be the plan. I Mutana. Man, Mutana for not put money for my head. Yes. One girl when they come picking go be my witness. Whoa, there is Saka. When picking, when Mutana talk when Mutana say,
that
want to put money for my head,
so that means you ready for second wife. You ready for second wife before.
Wait now, he tell me say he married. He tell me say he married.
But when we call you not gonna believe me as a woman. When we call you not gonna believe me as a woman. That means you ready for second wife.
No, wait, that's what they thought they come. When you
Wait, hear and finish. Sister, hear and finish.
Yes,
when you come me say it was not do marriage. Now therefore so no say that means your wife call me with peace or no quarrel. The way they talk, I respect her. So you marry, then you tell me say you no marry. Now say Muta be betrayer. The voice record, Mama Kim Mother, I go send her for you for voice for WhatsApp.
100.
Now say Muta why they jam two people here together.
Mama twins, to be sincere, you love this man. You cannot leave this man alone.
No, I don't leave her. No, I don't leave her. If I don't leave her, no, I apologize to his wife.
No, favor queen, not talk like that.
No, you
don't force her come on for her mouth.
No, that's the way they got promise say they want to put money for your head before next year.
No, not true.
4 years relationship.
Apologize.
I did 3 years relationship.
No, let me tell you, favor. I don't ever talk this thing before, and I will say it again. This whole problem, I 10% with Mama Twin, so because the wife call her, she not react. A man don't when they want marry second wife or third wife. You even if favor come out, even I say favor, even if Mama Twin come out, this man go stick bobo for another one. What are we saying?
You know many girlfriend. Me not say you want yesterday.
You said me.
Me not say you want yesterday.
You don't understand. The man just want to act to his wife. It's not about this woman. It's not about her. The man want to act to his wife. So this is where the problem lies. It's not about this woman. I don't understand. I don't tell una say that this man they keep this relationship. Now she they pay the woman that they beg her, tell her say, I love you, I want to be with you. No for you know those guys.
Kim mother, he did group call yesterday. Now your parents they ask Mutana question. What you see they respond?
No, they beg you now. That man love this woman.
The truth be say, Bros Mutana. I don't want to cut me short. The truth be say, Bros Mutana love Mama Twins, and Mama Twins love Bros Mutana. So that call no mean say you go just leave the man like that. So leave place where you don't really, she don't really do it to this man. You understand me? So you still look at me another way round. You understand? You just can't carry leave the man like that. It wasn't easy for her. But now, as you don't call social media now, Mama Twins, if you're not ready to leave Mutana, no promise this woman say you'll leave her.
No, yes. I don't already apologize. So I don't
no promise Mutana. This woman say you'll leave her. If you don't say
no, I don't leave Mutana. No.
Let me tell you guys. It's not about this woman promising her. Another woman will come there who call me get her picture for my hand. That one will still beg that one make it come out. That one. May I tell you, Bros Mutana picture there inside that one TikTok as I talk to you. So make I play the music where you put for the picture. But I don't get to
say that me make it not best friend. May not come deceive my friend.
Just the day here, I just the talk. Where the music again? I take play the song where you put for the picture.
You beg it, I that one say make a change a dog.
Yeah. The song. See the song where you put.
Bless it, they fear the face to show us.
They come around me say I cannot breathe. So now the year, body ever make me feel this way. Nice to put it there.
Where is face?
Let me bros be this.
Nine.
Say no bros, you make her feel that way. Say no
number one. If Spanish and well.
Everybody does the same Mama Twins.
If Mama Twins still leave Mutana go follow another woman. So Mama Twins apologizing is not really called for. Make everybody just move on with their life. Faith, move on. Mama Twins, move on.
That one go like Wahala. We get the way that one face.
May confess me.
No, that me of the
Mama
myself.
Twins, the only way you for fuck up now because you know you for pity your fellow woman. But if not, Mama Twins, you be victim here. You understand me? So you are a victim of
She's
love.
a victim because she's not the only one in the
Yeah,
relationship.
she's a you are also a victim here, Mama Twins. You
Please,
understand me?
my
So,
wife,
Yes.
Mutana wife, you
here.
just have to
If
be
this issue
patient.
not come outside,
you
now
don't
nobody
really
will
do
know now.
anybody
Say,
an apology.
Mutana don't even promise this woman say they will
You
go put
don't
money for
promise
your
her
head next year.
marriage. So
If
Mutana,
this issue not come outside, may you see how me wicked.
I
Abi,
don't
follow
Mama
Mutana.
Twins,
Mutana
Mutana don't
family
tell you say
wicked.
he want come meet his wife and his children for Dutchland.
No, you not tell me.
Oh, you see, promise you marriage. He's coming to come and meet his family. At the end of the day, he go come do one thing. He go come run, go back to France. He go say the woman.
Hey!
Now he want come do. Oh yeah, yes so.
you don't do flavor.
Pity the
This
wife.
man get luck, eh? I will use here take go France. He get luck. He get luck, oh me. I go use here take go France. Not be that.
You don't do. Mama Twins,
wicked.
so Mama
They
Twins, what I
are
will tell you
wicked.
this say to avoid all this kind of disgrace, just leave the guy.
See
Move
this
on with
woman,
your
I
life.
want to pick birthday now
Mama Twins,
Saturday.
Mama
Tell
Twins,
me, who will
Mama
be
Twins,
there
you
for
owe
me?
nobody.
Sorry,
Listen to
I
me,
say
come.
her. Who will
Mama
be
Twins,
there
you
for
owe
her?
nobody an
Besides that, don't
apology.
stop my people when I
Who is
invite.
going to be there for you? Because
Why
this
people
man
not
supposed to stand for you. You
whose
understand?
boyfriend?
He's supposed to be there, but he's denying. This is bullshit, man.
Who's
Stand for there as
Hey,
well.
but they
Let me the
think na
father
your
of the children.
husband. Hey,
Let
but
me
they
the
think na
father.
your husband.
See, now my friend Osman, you understand? Mama Prince now, co-wife. See co-wife now. So I'm fighting for the both of them. Now Mama Prince, we are where now? We are say a JBIA.
yes, so I don't live
Mama
out.
Twins, no,
I don't live
I'm
out.
not leaving.
Who they do?
Wait, this
Wait till I see
Listen, I'm
beg,
not saying.
wait till I see beg,
Mona, put that
King
person.
mother
The
and wife.
Who they mute
I
them? Not
beg.
they mute them again. Not they mute them.
Go.
I know that. What do they talk?
No, King
Mona,
mother,
let
I
the
beg.
people
You
talk.
see me beg. You see me beg.
Let people talk.
King mother,
Let
you see
people
me
talk.
beg Mutana, make you leave me alone.
Oh, take back a camel.
Yeah, no, you see me beg and make you leave me alone.
My dad, the time when they follow you, Queen Mother she was not there.
Mama
So
Twins,
now you
now
know
you
the way,
get
now
smart.
you
That
know
you
the
be
way you
woman
will
on
take
your
leave
own. If you
Mutana.
say you don't want to, then you
Mutana,
don't want
I
to.
job
No,
where
force
I
you.
don't know where you go, but where you
Now, so
Yes,
don't
no,
do.
no, nah, no, no, no.
Hey, which kind? No,
No, don't do that.
They sacred.
No.
They were no.
No. How you fit talk that kind of me a poor piece on top of person? No, now.
Alora, person say no want again.
Okay, you want me to kill the man for life. Okay,
That
you
one
want to
na
cut
key.
enjoy that person the post a
I not
piece
say
on top
make
of
it pour nene o. I say na peace.
I
A
want to
peace
enjoy
guy,
that.
peace.
Person the
Okay,
carry
what
peace
if
is a
peace start
straight back.
for peace now. Look into the see. I'm gonna look at in a
The
different
truth
form.
is,
Peace now, peace.
flavor shouting is not going to solve it. The truth is that Mama Twins, what you talk so now truth because sometimes you get the you go say like boy you know if you leave and the boy no leave you, so it goes both
Yeah,
ways.
you don't fit.
You
I
know,
understand.
so bro, Mutana still need to leave Mama Twins for this Mutana.
I bet what will still use to monster at ask mama.
Beg
Mama,
Bros
wait there up here.
Mutana.
Mama,
Leave Mama
I
Twins
don't know. Not
alone.
just a
Another
question
person
and
say
a
go carry the
suggestion.
man. No.
Next
Leave
example.
Mama
Now we
Twins
do.
alone. Would they make example now?
Example now we do, mama. Oh, example. You know my own. She na my own. Let's example now say Bros Mutana can stay. He wants stay with the two of them. You agree?
Madam, why you dey ask this kind of question? Wait, make I
Mama
ask.
Twins go agree that kind
I
thing.
get why.
As they go, they ask mature woman that kind of question for public like this.
You
You
know,
know, bam now. Until you
Wait,
marry
let
for
me
her,
see.
you
Wait,
get
let me see. This
flavor
lady
na
talk.
talking.
Person go ask you this kind of question.
Everything not be pepper body.
I know.
You
You
get
get that
flavor na
question
talking.
before.
Make
That
you
one na
listen,
trash
favor.
question for matured woman.
My sister, no woman go agree that
Favor,
kind
may
thing.
I tell you, favor. Not be pepper body. They stop this kind of matter. Hold on. You hear when Mama Twist talk just now say the man won't marry her next year. If the man say won't marry you, fit stop her. Now
Next year,
question.
still far now. What do they do next year? Mama, please, Mama, please don't leave
Mama,
her.
hold on. Everything not be pepper body. Just the
Mama,
question.